A longtime Topeka tradition will be flying back into the capital city next year. It's an exclusive that you'll hear about only on KSNT News this morning. As news reporter James Ryan is live out at Forbes Field in Shawnee County this morning with a sneak peek at what's in store.
David, I am live in a hangar out at Forbes Field. Behind me, there is going to be a press conference later this morning, but we have the inside scoop. The Great Topeka Air Show is making a comeback. Now, the Great Topeka Air Show was originally held starting in the mid-1970s in Topeka, but it was last seen in the mid-90s. It's being resurrected by Thunder over the Heartland. Organizer Brooks Pettit says the air show was a special event for the community.
It was a really amazing event that was a staple in our community, and it's been many, many years since that air show was last held, and we felt like it's time. It's time to bring the air show back to the community.
Pettit says there's been some smaller aviation events, but this will be the first full large-scale air show in Topeka for more than 20 years now. Now there will be food vendors and lots of other activities for the entire family, and just a great event that is something that the community can look forward to. Live in Forbes Field in Shawnee County, James Ryan, KSNT News.
Thanks so much, James. We certainly have a history and a great spot for it. The Great Topeka Air Show will return to the capital city. That will be held in June of next year, and details will be announced later this morning at 10. Stay tuned to KSNT.com for that information.